Paano mag-request o mag-report profile recommendation? From not recommendable to recommendable. First, pumunta sa Facebook. Pindutin ang professional dashboard. Pumunta sa profile recommendation. Check yung violation. Pumunta ulit sa profile. Tapos screenshot. Professional dashboard screenshot. Monetization screenshot. Profile recommendation screenshot. Tapos, pumunta sa report a problem. Include in report. Pindutin ang page kung page ang e-report. Pindutin ang profile kung profile ang e-report. Sa akin profile pinindot ko. Pindutin. Upload from phone. Yung na-screenshot mo kanina. Tapos, describe your issue. Send report. Pin ko na lang sa comment section ang description.